What up, guys? I'm a muffled Q50. You can't really hear me, right? I mean, I can barely hear myself. Let's change that and delete this muffler. Wow, I'm a lot louder now. Your car can sound exactly like this. Well, maybe not exactly, but let me explain. So, this is the Remark Muffler Delete axle back exhaust for the Q50 from years 2014 and up. It comes in a couple of different styles. So this is the polished tip double wall. It also comes in a single wall in both this polished tip as well as blue tips. So if you want the burnt tips, it also comes in the double and single wall. It's 2.5-inch gauge in the back and a 4.5-inch exhaust tip. Great quality. If you want something to make your car sound a little bit more race car-ish, but don't want to break the bank, this is a great product for you. It also comes with a lifetime manufacturer warranty from Remark, and it replaces the heavy stock exhaust, or stock muffler, I should say, that you have right now. So if you want something great for your Q50 to let everyone know you're coming, this is an awesome option for you guys. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section below. Like and subscribe for more videos like this, and we can't wait to help you guys soon. Thank you.